This is Narula, Head of Global Equities at Mirabaud. Just giving an update on the last quarter, the Mirabaud Global Sustainable Focus Fund. Over the quarter, the fund had a very strong July, with earnings season actually coming to the fore. And many of the themes that the fund invests in have seen an acceleration. The health and well-being theme, for example, we've seen much more focus on people looking after their own health, be it supplements or exercise. One of the companies that we own, Nike, came out with very strong earnings last week, where we're seeing an increase of digital sales 80% year on year, and that is leading to direct-to-consumer purchases. That's one of the areas that we're seeing an acceleration. The other would be in terms of health and hygiene and household products. We own Church & Dwight there, which is a sustainability leader. They've moved some of their washing up products from, say, 15 ingredients to 6, and there we're seeing a significant acceleration in growth. Historically, they'd be growing sales at 3% and earnings around 8%. It's more than double that at the moment. And then the automation theme, clearly there'll be much more of a focus on automation in the current environment, and a company like Nvidia is benefiting from that, particularly around the usage of their graphics processing units. So seeing a strong acceleration in their growth rate. In the market, in August we saw a strong move in the FANGs, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix and Google, as well as Apple, which we don't own. We at the moment think they're very crowded trades, and also we question some of the sustainability for some of those names, particularly Facebook. And then in September we have seen now some of the recovery trade normalizing. Unfortunately, we're moving to lockdowns, localized globally, and cases are picking up again. So we think we've had a bit of a consolidation in the work from home, which will now accelerate again. And then ultimately earnings season, which we're moving into, will show what is the reality from the bottom up, and the market will reward those companies that can deliver. So we think the market is still well supported by liquidity, maybe not as much as it was before, but the support is still there, and we'll continue to see this bifurcation between companies that can deliver and that have tailwinds and those that are struggling. The Mirabaud Sustainable Focus Fund is a 25 stock high conviction portfolio where stocks drive returns, so stock specific risk is over 70%, and we've maintained sector disciplines around ±5 relative to sector, and regions ±10, and as I say, we continue to focus very much on the stocks, with the themes acting as the filter.